Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Mehwish Fakar and you are watching Toronto 360 TV. जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं कि the most awaited event of the year is हम I'm loving the blue you're wearing. So अच्छा आप मुझे एक बात बताएं जो हमारी एक्ट्रेसेस हैं और जो यूजुअली लड़कियां हैं they take a very long time to get ready. आप इतने हैंडसम दिखने के लिए आज आपने कितना टाइम लिया?
I think it took me 35 minutes, just 35 minutes. Yeah.
Wow, very nice. अच्छा क्राउड को आप कितना एंजॉय कर रहे हैं जो फीडबैक मिल रहा है लोगों?
I'm really enjoying it. I'm really looking forward to the show, and of course पाकिस्तानी आए हुए हैं, sold out है, so I'm really looking forward to the show.
और किसकी परफॉर्मेंस who are you looking forward to?
Emdali Bhatt. No, I think Atif Aslam and Azan.
Awesome, have a great night. Welcome to Hum Awards. How are you doing?
I'm very good. Thank you for having me.
And I love how you're coordinating the colors of Pakistan. So I wanted to ask you, usually girls take a very long time to get ready. आपको कितना time लगा red carpet के लिए ready होने?
I think it was like 20-25 minutes. I'm somebody who's a bit impatient, so I can't take that long. मैं बोर होना शुरू हो जाता हूँ. I start getting anxious, so not too long.
Okay, we're looking forward for your performance and thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum Adil, how are you?
Hi, very well. How are you? How are you? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling absolutely overwhelmed. I mean, it's been crazy. यहाँ पे जो सारा crowd है, जितना लोगों ने प्यार दिया है, इतना रहा है कि मतलब I was not prepared for it. और मेरा चौथा दिन है टोरंटो में. Just the 4th day.
And we are enjoying your Insta stories as well. तो टोरंटो में क्या चीज़ आपको बहुत अच्छी लगी?
अभी तो CN टावर, लोगों की मोहब्बत, मैंने ज़्यादा टोरंटो इस वक्त देखा ही नहीं है. लकीली कुछ लोगों के साथ मैं इधर उधर फिरा, उनके साथ बैठा, उनके घर गया. So फिलहाल I've just realized that there's such a strong community here who welcome you, who receive you, who love you. So that's been the greatest thing. बाकी मैं बहुत टोरंटो देखने का इरादा रखता हूँ. Hopefully टाइम मिलेगा तो मैं ज़रूर देखूँगा.
And you're nominated tonight, so are you feeling nervous or excited?
I'm excited. I'm excited. I mean, the other nominations I'm very happy about. Ahmed Ali Akbar has had a great year with Parizad. So I am supporting him all the way. MashaAllah, he's an amazing actor. So I'm happy with whatever happens. I'm here to represent.
All the very best and thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you. आप सबकी favorite हैं. You're the living legend. So सानिया आपको हमारे टोरंटो का response कैसा लग रहा है?
Amazing. It's so overwhelming. I have no words. Thank you so much.
जो आजकल हमारे ड्रामे बन रहे हैं उसमें आप ज़्यादातर देखती हैं कि जो फीमेल्स हैं उनको आप थोड़ा नेगेटिव ज़्यादा दिखाया जा रहा है. डू यू फील कि ऑडियंस ये ज़्यादा देखना पसंद करे या इसको अब चेंज होना चाहिए?
ये बहुत लंबी बहस है और चल रही है और हम अंदर ही इस पे बहुत मुबाहिसा करते रहते हैं. एंड आई थिंक थिंग्स हैव चेंज्ड अ बिट, बट जाहिर है ओवरऑल पूरा पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज होने में थोड़ा सा वक्त लगेगा, बट वी आर वर्किंग एट इट.
आप हम अवार्ड्स के साथ बहुत अरसे से काम करती आ रही हैं, तो जब हम अवार्ड्स का नाम आता है सो एक वर्ड जो आपके माइंड में आता हो टू डिस्क्राइब इट?
fun.
Thank you so much for talking to us. Have a great night. Thank you, Sania. Numan, you're looking beautiful. I love how you guys are coordinating. नुमान, अब तो कनाडा आपका सेकंड होम की तरह का हो गया है और आप यहाँ के लोगों से भी काफ़ी फेमिलियर हो गए you've been nominated as well. तो फिर कैसा फील कर रहे हैं?
नॉमिनेट तो मैं अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हर मर्तबा ही हो जाता हूँ, बट नॉमिनेशन से ज़्यादा जो मज़े की बात यह है कि हम क्या कोई इवेंट हो तो इट्स ग्रेट फन. सो ये शाम खूबसूरत बन जाएगी, ये भी मेहरबानी है मेरे रब की.
और कोई मैसेज देना चाहेंगे हमारे टोरंटो की ऑडियंस को?
बस खुश रहें, इसी तरह प्यार देते रहें, सराहते रहें. दैट्स व्हाट वी ऑल हंगर फॉर एंड दैट्स इट.
और आज आप किसकी परफॉर्मेंस के लिए लुक फॉरवर्ड कर रहे हैं?
सबकी एवरीबडी हैज़ डन वेरी हार्ड.
Thank you so much for talking to us and enjoy your night. Thank you so much. Fabulous tonight, looking very beautiful. So मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आपकी खूबसूरती का क्या राज है लक्स वाली रीमा का?
Positivity. I'm taking care of myself. At the same time, I'm giving respect to others as well. So I think that kind of behavior reflects on my face and in my personality.
So Reema, I love how you're wearing that green today. So who's your inspiration?
Inspiration in which category?
As in, are you following a special trend or like a fashion icon? Like,
I'm trying to follow that kind of fashion which really suits in my personality, and it giving more. So that's why I am not following anyone. I'm just trying to do the right thing, which is good according to my.
and you're looking amazing. Thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you. You've been nominated for Rakse Bismil for your role for Musa. कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है.
तो आज आप भोले के कैरेक्टर में रहने वाले हैं या फिर मोर ऑफ मूसा?
जो आवाम चाहेगी वो.
Thank you and all the best wishes. So you are the fashion icon of Pakistan and people love your fashion. So my question to you is that when you come on red carpet, do you judge other people's outfits like what is she wearing?
Not at all, but I do judge them by their shoes. Not what they. Yeah, I actually look at their shoes first. Footwear is very important.
So in the fashion industry, the competition is increasing like crazy. So what do you have to say about that? How do you overcome that challenge?
I think it's always exciting to be part of something that comes your way. There are challenges, but we have to do our best.
And for all the girls, I want to know when's your next collection coming?
Very soon, yes.
Zila, you're looking absolutely gorgeous. हमेशा की तरह classy, elegant.
ये मेरी एक बहुत प्यारी सी दोस्त है अंबर, तो उन्होंने ये थोड़ी लुक डिज़ाइन की है.
You're looking fabulous. तो कैसा रिस्पांस लग रहा है आपको हमारी टोरंटो की ऑडियंस?
यार मुझे तो लग ही नहीं रहा कि मैं कहीं दूर हूँ. नहीं माशाल्लाह बहुत बहुत मोहब्बत है और बहुत सबने बहुत वार्म वेलकम किया है. हाँ.
अच्छा, आज किसकी परफॉर्मेंस का आप बहुत एक्साइटिंगली वेट कर रहे हैं?
ये तो मैं बता ही नहीं सकती ना, ये तो मुझे खुद भी नहीं पता, ये तो सरप्राइज़ है.
वेल, आज आतिफ परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, मैनी परफॉर्मर्स आर परफॉर्मिंग, तो आप डेफिनेटली इंजॉय करेंगे शो को. क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगी आप हमारी टोरंटो की ऑडियंस?
मैसेज यार यही है कि हम सब आपके लिए यहाँ पर हैं, तो आप सब देखें शो को, एंजॉय करें. और पाकिस्तान से हैं आप लोग तो हमारा दिल आपके साथ है.
Ushna, you're looking absolutely gorgeous in this red gown. And how are you finding the crowd and the audience?
I think it's the most beautiful crowd in the world. I'm from here. I'm back home right now, so it feels good. It's the first time I've been home since being in the industry. And I'm so grateful to these beautiful people that look amazing, and they've come in from all parts of Ontario.
And being a girl from Toronto, what would you like to say to our
I would like to say keep repping the 6 and we the North. That's what I would like to say.
Have a great night. Have a great night. You're looking absolutely bored.
Thank you so much, love. You're looking stunning as well.
Thank you so much and welcome to Hum Awards. How excited are you?
I'm very excited. I'm really excited to meet everyone. I'm really excited to see all the joy of people, the excitement. बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है.
और ये हमारी टोरंटो की ऑडियंस का रिस्पांस आपको, do you feel like you're in Canada?
Oh my God, I'm overwhelmed. I'm feeling so good This is my first interaction with my fans here in this part of the world, and I am just so happy to see everybody remembers every single detail, lines. I've been interacting with them, and it's been a wonderful experience.
How are you finding the Toronto's crowd?
I love it. I'm so grateful that I came here and I got to get all the respect and all the love that they want to give me. I'm so overwhelmed.
So are we, because after COVID, you know, this whole thing happened. So what is your inspiration today?
So Faraz Sheikh is my stylist. He styled me today for the Hum Awards, and yeah, so that's him.
Whose performance are you looking forward to seeing tonight?
All of them. All of my friends are performing. I don't think I'll get a minute to just walk around. I will just sit and watch their performances. All of them.
All right. Thank you so much for talking to us and have a great night. You're looking absolutely amazing. So लड़कियां बड़ा टाइम लगाती हैं तैयार होने में. आपने आज कितना वक्त लगाया?
लड़कियों से थोड़ा कम टाइम लगा होगा.
अब मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि आप लड़कियों से बेहतर लग रहे, पर
मैं भी ये नहीं कहूँगा.
किसकी परफॉर्मेंस देखने के लिए आज आप एक्साइटेड हैं?
हैं 2-3 अच्छी परफॉर्मेंसेस हैं, वो अभी शेयर नहीं कर सकता.
आपको like coming from Pakistan and then you're seeing a huge community of Pakistanis and even Indians here. Were you expecting this type of crowd?
Not at all. I mean, it is beyond my expectation, and all the love that we've gotten. I'm really humble and thankful to everybody over here.
And one last question. 3 things you like about Toronto.
The people, the people, the people.
Thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you. Thank you. आप पहले भी यहाँ पर आए थे और उस टाइम पे भी आपने देखा था हमारे पाकिस्तानी क्राउड ने बहुत ही सपोर्टिव रिस्पांस दिया था. इस बार आपको कैसा लगा?
इस बार मुझे लगता है बड़े डबल हो गए हैं आप लोग. बहुत ज़्यादा पाकिस्तानी आ गए हैं यहाँ पे. लेकिन हमेशा टोरंटो में आके जितना प्यार मिलता है मैं समझता हूँ उसका कोई सानी नहीं है.
हम बहुत सारे रोल्स में कैरेक्टर्स में देखते रहते हैं और बहुत सारी एक्ट्रेसेस के फादर के आपने रोल किए, तो सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा किस एक्ट्रेस के साथ आया काम करके?
मैं ये नहीं कह सकता क्योंकि सब मेरे दोस्त हैं, सब मेरे साथ काम करते हैं और सब बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं, सब बड़ी इज्जत देते हैं, तो मैं उनका शुक्रगुजार ही हूँ बस.
Thank you so much for talking to us. What would you like to say our audience tonight?
I think they're electrifying, goosebumps हो गए. And I think it's all worth it. जितनी भी हम मेहनत करते हैं, इतना प्यार मिलता है तो it's all worth it.
Welcome to Toronto.
बहुत शुक्रिया.
हमेशा आप माशाल्लाह इतनी एलिगेंट और इतनी क्लासी लगती हैं और हमारी जो विमेन हैं उनकी आप बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पिरेशन हैं. तो हमारी ऑल द गर्ल्स आउट देयर, उनके लिए आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
Don't give up. Stand for your rights. Be empowered. आप empowered होंगी तो आप तरक्की हो कर सकेंगे.
मुसर्रत मिसबाह, आपको हमारा यहाँ का ऑडियंस का रिस्पांस कैसा लग रहा है?
हमेशा अच्छा था, पिछले दफ़ा भी बहुत अच्छा था और इस दफ़ा भी बहुत अच्छा है.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस. यू आर लुकिंग सो ब्यूटीफुल. आप लोगों की वीडियोस हम देखते रहते हैं और मोमना की जो उर्दू है उसे बहुत इंजॉय करते हैं. Zed, being from here, what would you like to say to the audience that is here tonight?
I just want to say thank you to everyone who came. You know, I was telling the other person as well, it's so important that we, you know, embrace our diversity and we celebrate the talents of our country. You know, the people that have given a lot to the entertainment industry, the people that have put a smile on our faces in times, like, as you know, like times recently have been really tragic. So all the entertainment that they have to provide, you know, because that itself should be embraced. So I'm really happy that people are out here and showing love and support.
And also, Zed, we now see you more focused on making vlogs. Like, we don't see your Facebook videos that you used to post before. Uski kya wajah? We really miss those.
The thing is, I guess you just have to adapt with time. You can't keep doing the same thing repeatedly क्योंकि लोग तंग आ जाते हैं. So you have to adapt with what's working and what's not working. अगर मैं 10 साल से वही बनाता रहता तो लोग कहते 10 साल हो गए हैं वही चीज़ें किए जा रहे हैं. So you just have to adapt with what's going on and basically blend in with that.
Thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you. Ikra, can you tell me when you're walking on the red carpet tonight, seeing the response of our community, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling really great. I really appreciate how strong our Pakistani Canadian community is, especially when it comes to responding to the floods in Pakistan and how much that they have done. I'm really hoping that we'll continue to raise awareness. It's great to see the community together after a long time with COVID, and you look absolutely beautiful yourself.
Ikra, you're always into politics. लेकिन कोई ड्रामा देखती हैं आप for like हम TV का कोई भी ड्रामा?
I saw Zindagi Gulzar Hai a very long time ago. It was a very, very nice drama for sure.
Thank you, Ikra, for talking to us, and I hope you enjoy the show. Thank you.
We have Minister Ahmed Hussain with us. So thank you very much, Minister. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Thank you so much for having me.
How important these functions are for the promotion of the culture?
I think it's really important. These functions really showcase the best of the Pakistani community and excellence in Pakistani Canadian and Pakistani global culture in the arts, in music, in film. And to bring this show to Canada again for the second time is really an honor for our country, and we are appreciative of the contributions that are being made in terms of showcasing this talent. And for me, this is the second time I've been back at Hum TV Awards, and it's good to be back, and especially after the difficult period of COVID. It's great to be back in person and to connect with people from around the world.
You're the main person behind that show last time too and this time too.
Well, I wouldn't say I'm the main person, but I was here and I was supportive. I came here last time in my capacity as Minister of Immigration, and I know we worked very hard with the community to get as many artists here as possible and facilitate the visas and facilitate the travel. And now it's good to see huge representation once again from artists in film and music and television coming here from around the world and really showcasing Pakistani excellence in culture in all its forms.
So this is the entertainment program, but even though I want to talk about the flood in Pakistan, and Minister Sajan and Ikra and Shafkat and Salma, all MPs visited there.
That's right.
So what the Canadian government is doing now?
We've done a lot. We pledged over, a combination of almost, if you add everything up, 33 million for the aid and then another 20 million for polio. So a total of 53 million just during this trip. I think it's a significant amount of money. We've stepped up and we're encouraging others to donate as well. And of course, this is a very difficult time for the people of Pakistan, but Pakistani Canadians and other Canadians have come together to really do our part to help the people over there. Last weekend, I was at a fundraising event where we were able to raise $1.7 million to help the people of Pakistan at this difficult time.
The last question. It looks like the Liberal government is now in the very comfortable zone because NDP is supporting you. So how are the things going with the government?
Well, I would say, in a minority government, you're never too comfortable. I would say that, we're doing what Canadians have asked us to do, which is work with everyone in Parliament to get things done for Canadians. If you noticed last week, we introduced legislation to provide dental care for low-income families who have children under the age of 12, a $500 top-up to the Canada Housing Benefit to help people pay the rent, and also doubling the GST tax credit for the lowest income Canadians, right? That's real help for people, and that legislation is there. Now we hope all the MPs will support that legislation. And I'm happy to see that not only the NDP, but also some Conservatives have said that they'll support some of those measures. We hope they support all the measures, because to be honest, Canadians expect parliamentarians to work together to deliver solutions to their challenges.
Minister, thank you very much.
That's what it's really about.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for having me.
8th अवार्ड की आज हम रेड कारपेट पे खड़े हैं और पाकिस्तान से बहुत से फ़नकार जो हैं वहाँ तशरीफ़ लाए हैं, कुछ से आपकी मुलाकात भी करवाई, ये भी महविश ने भी, और बहुत अच्छा है। कुछ कंट्रोवर्शियल ज़रूर रहा, पाकिस्तान से कुछ लोगों का ख्याल था और यहाँ पे लोगों का ख्याल था, तनकीद कर रहे थे कि पाकिस्तान में फ्लड्स हैं और इस वजह से नहीं होना चाहिए। लेकिन 4-5 महीने पहले जब एक प्रोग्राम तय पा जाता है तो उसके लिए बहुत मुश्किल होता है। लेकिन हमने बहुत अच्छी बात की है कि उन्होंने इसमें कहा है कि कुछ जो है यहाँ जो इसकी प्रोसीड्स होंगी उसको फ्लड रिलीफ के लिए जो है वो प्रोवाइड की जाएंगी। लेकिन यहाँ पे एक चीज़ बहुत ही हैरानकुन देखने को मिली है। पिछले दफ़ा कुछ ऐसा मामला नहीं था। फ़नकार आते हैं, वो लोगों तक जो है अपनी बात पहुँचाना चाहते हैं, लेकिन बहुत बदनज़मी यहाँ पे देखने में मिली है। कुछ समझ नहीं आ रही थी। 4-4, 5-5 लोग एक आर्टिस्ट के आगे जो है DML ने, ज़िया मछली साहब ने, उनकी टीम ने पूरी कोशिश की, लेकिन बाज़ जो है वो बात जो है आपके हाथ से निकल जाती है। और जहाँ इतनी बदनज़मी यहाँ पे हमें रेड कारपेट पे देखने को मिली है कि जो लोग यहाँ पे फ़नकार भी बेचारे, कुछ फ़नकारों को मैं देखा तबीयत बहुत ख़राब हो गई और वो उनको लेके जाया गया है कि वो इतना रश था उसमें आए हैं। और यहाँ पे इतना नॉन प्रोफेशनल एटीट्यूड था बहुत से लोगों का कि किस तरह से आपको कोई इंटरव्यू करना है, ना उनकी कोई ट्रेनिंग होती है कि किस तरह बात करनी है। पूरी दुनिया में अवार्ड्स होते हैं, एक लाइन में लोग आते हैं, आपके कैमरे लगे होते हैं, एंकर्स खड़े होते हैं, आर्टिस्ट आते हैं और उनसे बात करते हुए आगे निकल जाते हैं। लेकिन यहाँ जिस किस्म का आज हमने सूरत हाल देखी है, ये बजाय इसके नेक नामी के, ये हैम अवार्ड की बदनामी की बात यहाँ पे हो रही है कि इतना मिसमैनेज किस्म का यहाँ पे मक्सद रहा। DML ने पूरी कोशिश की, इसमें कोई शक नहीं ज़्यादा मशीद साहब उनकी टीम ने, लेकिन यहाँ पे जो लोग थे जिनको मैनेज करना चाहिए था, उन्होंने किसी तौर पे भी इसको सही तरह से मैनेज नहीं किया। इसकी जो पॉजिटिव हैं, इतने फनकार वहाँ से आए हैं, अभी प्रोग्राम शुरू होने वाला है, बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम होगा, लेकिन रेड कारपेट का जो यहाँ पे प्रेजेंटेशन था वो बहुत ही बुरा था।
for international development to stand shoulder to shoulder with Pakistanis as they're going through a difficult time, experiencing the worst flooding in recent memory. And they went there with serious, significant support for the people of Pakistan. And while they were there, they announced additional Canadian aid to help deal with the flooding in Pakistan. And while they were there, they announced $30 million from Canada to the people of Pakistan to fight the flooding. I want to thank, it's been a long time since we've been able to get together in person because of COVID. And I want to thank Duraid Qureshi and Zia Mashadi for getting us together back, the Hum TV Awards. Thank you so much to you and your teams, and for choosing Canada once again. I also want to thank them, and for this I would ask you to give them a round of applause for both Duraid and Zia for dedicating this Hum TV Awards celebration and a portion of the proceeds to go help the people of Pakistan deal with the flooding. Please give a round of applause to Duraid and Zia. Thank you so much. We are all here because we are united and coming together to celebrate global Pakistani excellence in film, music and television. And I can tell you, these fine colleagues as well as members of the Pakistani Canadian community are also well represented here tonight. Speak up if you're members of the Pakistani Canadian community. I also want to tell everyone who's not from Canada, to welcome them here, but to also tell them that in Canada, as many countries in the world are closing their doors to people, they're saying no to talent and skills. We're opening the door. We're building bridges, not walls, ladies and gentlemen. And in the midst of that intolerance, in the midst of that unwelcoming spirit, Canada is taking the opposite approach. And I can tell you, in the midst of that time, in 2019, we took the approach to fast track and include Pakistan in a special number of countries in Canada to welcome more Pakistani international students to Canada so that they can study here and help us build a more prosperous Canada. And everyone on this stage and beyond contributed to that effort. That is yet another sign that in Canada, diversity is a fact, but inclusion is a choice. And we have chosen to include everyone. If you go into any city in Canada, you will find people from all corners of the world contributing to building a stronger and more prosperous Canada. And central to that is the Pakistani Canadian community, represented from every corner, from coast to coast to coast in Canada, in politics, in the arts, in business, in academia, in science and technology. The innovators, they're all represented. Thank you to Pakistan for allowing us to share the best and brightest and to help us build a more stronger Canada that is now also giving back to Pakistan. In this time of difficulty of Pakistanis around the world, as they think of their loved ones, as they think of this terrible tragedy, I want you to bear with me as I try to read something that a friend prepared for me. इस मुश्किल वक्त में हम सब साथ हैं.
So कैसा लगा आप लोगों को ग्लिट्स एंड ग्लैमर से भरा हुआ ये रेड कारपेट का इवेंट? आई होप आप लोगों ने आज के इवेंट को एंजॉय किया होगा. आई मीन द परफॉर्मेंसेस, the acting, the actors and actresses being all together under one roof in Toronto is definitely memorable. और वैसे भी जो भी एक बार हमारे शहर टोरंटो आता है तो वो बार बार आता है. So I'm very sure कि हम अवार्ड्स इंशाल्लाह आगे भी यहाँ होते रहेंगे. और अगर for any reason आप लोग आज के अवार्ड को अटेंड नहीं कर पाए तो होपफुली आज की इस पूरी एपिसोड में आपने मेन हाईलाइट्स देख ली होंगी. Thank you so much for watching and supporting Toronto 360 TV.